Hey everybody, so back working on the camper today, and yesterday what we did is this. Cut to the time lapse once I explain it. Uh, we went and picked up an old truck cap, cut it in half, took the windows out of it, and actually fit it all into one barrel when it's finally cut down. But we took all the windows out, cleaned them, got this for free, so free windows, bonus of that. Got them all sitting here on the ATV. But yeah, so I now have 6 windows, 2 of them slider windows to use for the sides of our camper. So here's that time lapse of us taking it. Now today, what we're going to be doing is getting materials to build the walls and figuring out putting the walls and the windows together to try and actually get a frame on top of our floor. We did put the floor on the other day. It fairly heavy on a heavy trailer. Still hoping this will come in under 3,000. It should come in under 3,000. I'm guessing it's going to be closer to 2.6. But before that, we have to clean off an area so the material, when it gets dropped off, can have a place to live inside before this weekend, because it's second weekend of May, third weekend of May, second weekend of May, and it's supposed to snow, possibly snow. Not looking forward to that. Ski areas have been closed. I haven't been able to go skiing. I'm done with snow for now. But that means clearing a spot by moving ATV, log splitter, cleaning up down here so that we have places to work. So I'm going to get on that, and hopefully the camera doesn't die. Okay, barn's clean. Waiting on the shipment, but we do have to go and pick up 2x4s and some other stuff that could be bent. We don't want it to really not be good wood. The problem with 2x4s is you get all sorts of terrible knots. You get them twisted, kinked, whatever you want to call it, and they're not straight. We need straight wood for this. Otherwise, it's going to be a disaster of trying to make everything fit, and it's going to have weird tensions and all that type of stuff on it. So we're gonna go off to the hardware store, pick up that stuff. Who knows, maybe we'll see them actually loading up our delivery, though I don't expect it for another hour, maybe 6 hours. Hopefully not 6 hours, but definitely won't be here for a while. It's the afternoon now. I got the 2x4s, which are way down here, all of them. They're actually not awful. A lot of them were decently straight, but there are definitely some that were better than others, and I'm grabbing the better than others ones for sure. We actually, about an hour ago, got everything delivered. So there is 13 sheets of 2 by 1.5 by 8 insulation, and then let's see if I can force it. Oh, it's not gonna let me, so we have to go up to look down. But right there is Luan plywood and FRP, which should be everything we need to start on the walls. So I'm going to end this video here because it's going to try and not make these too long, maybe like 5-10 minute episodes, easy to watch. But right for where this video leaves off, the next will begin. So I will be wearing the same clothes probably, and everything else. But either way, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Follow me on Instagram at Roscoe531. And yeah, that's about it. I'll catch you at the next one. Hopefully we'll have the walls.